purchases from McMaster and drills a hole in the bolt? Okay. The occasionally is, here's the tool because we will need it occasionally. Using this tool allows you to create a make-from design. So basically, I want to purchase this bolt, and then we're going to drill a hole in the end for some locking wire or something like that, or a cotter pin. How would you guys do that? Or castings, forgings, sheet metal that you're going to make and then bring it in and do some drilling to it or punch it cut.
So you're assuming that obviously that SolidWorks file or
Yeah, all SolidWorks. Yeah, all SolidWorks models. Yeah, it doesn't matter because the casting, the company makes the casting and the machining, possibly things like that.
It's not SolidWorks.
Oh, you can still do that too.
Probably
Yeah.
a year or something.
Right, as long as it can be transferred into a SolidWorks save file. Yes. The answer is the insert part tool. Okay. Now the reason I point this out is, why do I point this out? Is because especially for castings and forgings, you have a casting drawing and you have a machining drawing for that casting. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dimensions on the casting, most likely. The machining drawing may have, 3 cuts with 3 or 4 dimensions each, right? I'm one that lives off of insert model items for my drawings. So I put it on my drawing, insert model items, the dimensions I need, I make them look pretty for about 10 minutes, done with the drawing. If I bring a casting in and do without this tool, you can do a save as, give it the machining number, do your cuts. Now for when you got to break in the link, when something changes on the casting, you got to go into the machining part and change the casting. When it should be, it doesn't matter who I give the casting to physically for a real machining, they're going to get that casting. It should be the same with your software. So this is the part we've either downloaded or drawn or whatever or imported from wherever that we're going to purchase or make from the casting, a forging or purchase part. We have our new part and we insert, and right in the middle, it's been there for years, insert part. And it says, and I'll pick my bolts or wherever it is on your network or hard drive, and open, and we can see it's here. What we're doing is we're bringing a body into a part. So it's not an assembly, it's still a part level. And we get the choice of what do we want to bring in from that part? The solid bodies, surface bodies, axis, planes, cosmetic threads, all that kind of stuff. You get to choose, and if you miss something or put something you didn't want, you can always edit and fix it. We've got a locate part, we won't get into that, it has nothing to do with this, but this is a pretty cool tool. But I'm just going to bring in the solid body itself. I don't need its axes and its cosmetic thread. Now for whatever reason, SolidWorks doesn't believe that if we insert a part from somewhere else that it should keep the same color. So it gives you the default color of the part. Who knows how much work you did on that original one with decals and changed faces, but I'm just going to make it all red now because that's the color of the default part. So you will have to reassign the material and change the color if that is something that bothers you. Now from here, what we can do is, if I would have brought in the planes, could have used its planes, use the planes here. Just going to drill a simple hole in here. Throw a couple dimensions on it. I didn't set up my hotkeys, that was the one thing I really wanted to do. Alright, from here to here. Everybody know that you can connect to you can add relations to your temporary axes? The real question is, everybody understand that there is a temporary axis? I hate opening up somebody's part and there's like 30 axes created. And you're like, you just put it over the one SolidWorks already gave us. Alright, we'll use the new through both directions option. And we've got our hole. Okay. Now why did I do this? If I do make a drawing from this, I'm going to save it. Alright, and make a drawing. And put this guy in here. Now if I would have done the original bolt, save as, made this, cut the hole in it, when I say insert model items, and enter, I would have got all of the bolt dimensions plus the cuts, and the new cut. My machining drawing is all I care about. Maybe this probably wouldn't be there either, but that's all I care about for this machining drawing. done. If I need a couple overall lengths for reference or whatever, really easy to snap those 2 or 3 on, instead of all of the hex dimensions and that chamfer that's on there, and the length and the diameter and the thread information, or whatever else your company does. And in the casting, the hundreds of dimensions that would come in. It's all done, and if you use properties, which I hope you do, or a PDM system of some sort, your title block would have been filled out, and you've been ready to save and move on to whatever's next on your job list. I believe spending the least amount of time in the drawing, but making a perfect drawing at the same time. And for those of you that don't use the insert model items, understand that all I have to do from the drawing is double click and make my changes to the drawing, and the model will update, and the assembly will update everything. I can add tolerances here, I can add tolerances in the drawing, the model, I can add tolerances in the assembly to particular parts, and it'll update all the way around.